Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys though we are always smiling. Yo, today's video is gonna be super epic because we are going deep sea fishing in Montego Bay. We're linking up with 3 other persons, which is gonna be Marlin Madness, Jamaica Wildlife, and Spear Fishing Jamaica. You guys know those 2 YouTube channels already. Alright, I also want you guys to check out Rush Raymore Reviews. It's another Jamaican YouTube channel, so if you love Jamaican content, go over there and check him out. He does reviews on hotels, restaurants, you know, trips, all that kind of stuff. Oh, beaches as well. Check out his videos. I'll put the link in the description box. But I'm just basically waiting on Raj and Jamaica Wildlife so we can make a little mini convoy and head down to Montego Bay. They are with Jamaica Wildlife. The boss said a big fisher bud. Yeah, so we're currently right now out in the bay, you see me? On the dock right there, so Wildlife I try to catch some fish. Yo, we are talk to Marlin Madness just now. Whole heap of fish there. So that time when I went on the date to, what's that place called again? Boathouse or houseboat restaurant, there's a lot of fish that was just there just chilling out, but we heard that there, so it's like a sanctuary and thing. Yes, the wind is picking up, that's why we don't go out on the boat as yet. I'm gonna switch over to my other camera because yeah, I can hear a lot of wind noise, I can imagine.
If I imagine YouTube just blew up 100 million subscribers and you own a place like this. That guy life and that guy life.
When I cut on stick, what comes out of it?
Ah, the wrinkles are crazy.
Alright guys, so we finally reach home. Yo, so the man himself here, so I'll make everything happen.
Yeah, brother.
Locked and loaded.
Yeah,
Marlin
man, locked and loaded.
Yeah. You see me? Mad vibe. This is home. And the infamous locked and loaded. You know, they do marlin fishing and stuff like that. It's a whole vibe. This is precarious, bro. Yo, whole vibe. Alright, so I know you guys are very curious and want to get the whole tour of this locked and loaded boat, so we're gonna give you a tour of inside and you see me, all that vibe. Montego Bay. What the vibe there is it. Oh, AC already. It's a whole vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To do that, you'll need an Apple Music subscription.
Never talk to you in an Apple Watch.
It's nice, yo.
See the logo and the Marlin Madness logo, I believe. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Kitchen and bedroom.
Downstairs we have a kitchen. Jesus. Lights. Got lights, right?
Freezer. Fridge. Freezer. Full fridge.
Mad.
Stove. Sink. And all sort of cabinets with snacks, drinks, cups, everything, you know?
Cool.
Alright. Now we have the main bedroom. See, this is like
Oh my gosh.
Peter sleeping here sometime.
Yes, look at this nice little bedroom. Cool vibe and thing. And a full mirror. Wow. Full mirror. TV. Yeah, I'm there, bro. I try to find the lights. Alright, so finally find the light for the bathroom. What I like about this place is like the room is freaking shaking, bro. That's the whole vibe, isn't it? Some Mardi Gras beads. I don't know who accomplished something for that. But yeah, nice little shower. Alright. Whole vibe. Whole freaking vibe, bro.
Have a big speaker them.
Jesus, bathroom get caught up. You see me?
Yeah, guys, so we're loving it so far.
Whole vibes, yo.
Store rod them also down here, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, buddy.
It's a rod storage and everything.
It's a cushion if you're outside. Sit down.
Because something. Alright, it's a whole vibe.
I don't know what really wrong with my lens.
Alright, I just did a whole Instagram thing on the outer parts of the boat. I'll do a whole video on that really quick so you guys can see. But wildlife, the outer side right now, I try lionfish already.
I'll try this one.
Alright, so I'm basically out here just catching some ideas and, you know, rods and rigs and setup. And so that is a sabiki.
Sabiki rig. That's
A
right.
sabiki
We
rig.
used to catch the sprat, the live bait to go and catch a bigger fish.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see it. Hold on.
Right.
Yeah, so use them to catch sprat and all them small baits. And them say basically replicate a plankton, yeah?
Right.
Yo, it's a mad vibe. There's a whole heap to learn about fishing though. Like it's a lot, every fish and every area have a different setup.
That's right. Yep. And then we're gonna go through with the marlin fishing and the gears later on with you guys.
It's crazy, man. It's an artificial bait, is
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Those are actually little fish scales what they put on it. And it's like different color in the sun and so.
Oh.
So like them anything shiny, the fish are attracted.
Attracted to it. So what it cost something like that?
These are cheap, bro. Fuck.
You get them out here or?
No,
overseas?
states overseas.
Yo! That beta works like crazy, bro. Bro, we just catch a little horse-eye jack. It's gonna be the bait fish. It's a vibe. Yeah. They say this is the one, the live bait them down.
Yeah.
Tournament time is when Peter October. Our tournament starts October and it's island wide from Montego Bay. We used to have them Mobe, Falmouth, Discovery Bay, then Port Antonio, but now it's Montego Bay and then Port Antonio.
So what's the dates? Because some persons sometimes want to come down to do some fishing. What dates can they come down
Dates
to?
are around usually the 12th of October for 4 days, and then the other one is a week apart after.
So you guys by chance like chartered fishing for anybody who come to
Yeah,
Jamaica
man,
who
we do
wanted
charters,
that?
yeah man. Just yeah man, they can just go and hit us up or contact the yacht club.
Yacht club.
Yeah, and they'll contact us and
Okay.
stuff like that. So we do charters and stuff. But we have two of them in Port Antonio, Aeroflin Marina,
Yeah.
which is one, and then the old marina on the other side a week after. So there are actually 3 tournaments now.
Oh,
we do.
crap. I
And
say
our
your
marlin
bro.
season.
You say
That's my
Peter.
brother.
Peter.
Captain Peter.
Captain Peter is like.
He is the ultimate fishing
fisher.
brother. Yeah man, he wins year round with everybody. So he's a legend on the sea.
Okay. What's the biggest marlin you guys have ever caught?
The biggest one my brother's ever caught was 870 pounds. Yeah. 13-hour fight. The biggest one I've caught is 426 pounds. 6-hour fight.
Where's the all ago? 13-hour fight?
Yeah, he fought. Yeah, his marlin fought for over 13 hours.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and mine one was 6 hours.
Yo,
And
that's crazy.
That's 426.
That's freaking crazy,
Yeah, man,
bro.
426, man. Our marlin season starts in August. The bigger marlins come down in August because down here's a migratorial for them, so they travel from the Bahamas side, come down this side, and go into the Gulf.
Because I know some persons are very. They freak out when they find out what kind of fish we have in the waters.
Well-
Because like when we show them like king crabs or spider crab, they go like, yo,
Yeah.
never that did in Jamaica.
No man, out here like offshore here, yeah, Jamaica, especially on the north side, we run along with the Cayman Trench.
Okay.
So as you know, the Cayman Trench is the deepest part of the ocean in the whole Caribbean.
Yeah.
And as you go through the channel here, within 5 minutes, you drop off from 50 feet right down to 1,000 feet. And then the
Whoa.
further you go off of the shelf, you're going down to 9,000 feet. So as you go, you don't have to go far to catch blue marlin out here. It's as you go through the channel, 5 minutes, you're over 1,000 feet of water to catch blue marlin and stuff like that.
So when you catch like that size marlin, is it like you guys supply to restaurants like houseboats?
Well, smoked marlin. Marlin is not it's good, but us as pelagic fishermen, pelagic is a topwater fish, right? What we use, that blue marlin, the mahi and wahoo. They're good fish to eat, but they're better when you smoke it. So we try to practice catch and release on the blue marlins.
Oh, okay.
You know, because they're good, but they're a sport fish. You know, because it's right around the whole world. You don't really want to kill them.
Cool.
So we harvest maybe one out of the year just to smoke it. Cool. And then we're good to go with that. But as I said, marlin season is in August. Our dolphin season is now. With the summertime, what's coming up, that's our dolphin season. And then after that, straight down to tuna and wahoo.
Next crazy question. When we talk about dolphins, people go, no, not the cute dolphins. You're talking like the mai.
The mai, right? Yeah, Dorados, the mai, and us in Jamaica we call them dolphin.
Cool.
The mai, yeah.
So I have a question, right? Over there, that's your boat, right? What year boat is it? Because I know like boats can run like, you know, different years and they still look beautiful.
This is a 1980.
You see, I would have never guessed that this boat is a freaking 1980.
1980 fully custom.
Same here as me.
So brought to Miami, fully customized.
Yep, and let down that. This is a customized color as well, the baby blue. That to mix it. So this is, and it's a 55-foot Hatteras.
So you find like a boat like that per se is just well, boats in general. You can buy an older boat and it goes like a whole lifetime. It's not like a car.
No, that's right. And you don't. Right.
The fiberglass quality is much
It's better than the old school one.
Yes.
Got you.
Well, you can go and check, but you see some big fish. This is take off behind it.
Oh, go on. Wildlife ready? Yes, I'm never did first.
No, sir.
I don't wash it out yet. First up.
Yeah.
You know, they're gonna weigh about 50 pounds.
You might say sharp, but that's it.
How much fish you get on the line a while ago, brother? Two.
And then
How much up on the dock right now? Yeah, guys, so we basically did a whole long swim over there. We're back on the dock right now. As I said before, like him gets like two fish, but like them big, like about 35-pound fish. Like come out of the water big, but wasn't successful enough to actually hold on to them Raj over there. So not in his element, quite frankly, but yeah. him actually put on the dive suit, so him could feel like he could actually catch a fish, but now we're okay right now. But before he catch what? 2 bait fish or one?
One bait fish we catch so far.
Catch a bait fish.
This thing is never done in life more.
You see me? So the important part is actually catch a bait fish, and then from the bait fish you catch the big fish. So he's basically one step ahead. And yeah, I'm gone now. So never had the camera, but wildlife just catch a lionfish. Very invasive fish species. cut off the spines them because the spines them are very poisonous. It won't kill you, right? But it just make you feel a lot of pain.
Yeah.
You see me? I've never had this fish before, but I'd love to try it.
Fish are sweet like sweetie. Knife sharp but do you know?
Pre man did black and the man does white. Shadow.
Dinner and turn because in eagle take up people bait.
I have like shots so I can play around with it editing like I say I can. Like for instance.
Alright guys, so we're basically just out here. We wanted to go fishing a bit before the evening, but some starter problem with the boat and things, so the mechanic is there, basically already got it fixed. So maybe in the night or something, I don't know, some fishing by the little dock here, the pier, we can do that, but definitely in the morning we'll be going out.
But at least them never hooked on my line.
Catch and release. Like this in a shot him in the head if I can't catch him.
Boy, I'm going to put it on one of them as I shoot him and hold it card.
Sorry, so my deregulate and then the chunk. I'm going to put on VC and go down there.
Those are the baby jacks. Baby jacks that swim. Alright, so some food for some deep sea snapper, you see me? And a coconut juice. I'm gonna try it out and see what I'm going with. You see, with some white rice and some veg. Alright guys, so we basically just had our meal just now and it was really good. Yeah, we're gonna see you in the next video tomorrow, where we're going to be going out to sea, you know, to catch some fish or whatever the case is. Yo, if you like content like this and you like the whole vibe, remember, drop a like on the video if you got this far. It's super supportive. Really appreciate that. And yeah, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.